Welcome back, you lovely people. Very quick check-in, particularly to celebrate the new all-time high in Ethereum, just under 5%, $2,064. You can see us taking out the previous all-time high. I'm now going to change that resistance into support. And for perspective, we now have all of this room to work in and expect Ethereum to run really, really hot from here. As you know, lots of people have been getting frustrated by Ethereum, saying that it's been moving sideways. We've been focused, made sure that we understand what was about to happen. I did release this video saying, will Ethereum trigger peak alt season? And I did have mentioned multiple times that it looked like the market was waiting for Ethereum to make its move. And that's exactly what's happened. Ethereum has made its move, and you now see the likes of Polkadot, which is up 5.5%. It's got a final resistance level, which we're at now, just under $40, and then we're into the all-time high. Chainlink as well, just under 5%, coming up to a key resistance level at 31.50. When we take that out, we're looking towards the all-time high. Binance coin is up 2.5%. You have Matic 7%. Let's see what Cardano's doing. Cardano's up 3%. So the whole market moving very, very, very nicely. And Bitcoin is just up 1%. So consolidating just under the all-time high and just under $60,000. So all of this looks really bullish. You know, I've also covered on this channel multiple times the Bitcoin dominance chart, and we've been talking about the fact that it is going to break down. I thought it was going to happen a couple of weeks ago. We kept consolidating. That's because Ethereum was lagging and we were waiting for Ethereum to break down. Now Ethereum is breaking down and the Bitcoin dominance is breaking down. So I probably had our support line in wrong. It's a multi-year line, but it probably, in hindsight, looked something like this. And now you can see over the past 2 days, we're breaking down. So what happened last time in 2017? Let me find out where we are. Here we go. In 2017, we had this long consolidation period, which we've just had. That was called that 41 days. We had the breakdown in here, which is what we're experiencing right now. We had a bounce over a couple of days. I'm expecting that's going to happen again. What will that actually look like? This will be the Bitcoin next leg to the all-time high. Call that finger in the air, something like $65,000. And then at that point, alts will take over again while Bitcoin continues to rise and the whole market is going to lift off. Alts will have an incredible run. Bitcoin will head up to around $90,000 level. And at that point, we'll probably have our next correction. That's our base case scenario that we've been talking about, and it is playing out exactly as we've been talking. This time, the consolidation is probably about there to there. It's about 54 days, so about 2 weeks longer. That's why we're early on it. It's taking a bit longer this time. We were waiting for Ethereum to make its move. Ethereum's made its move. Now I expect that we continue as planned. So well done, everybody, for staying patient and for staying on the right side of the market. You are being rewarded today, expecting Ethereum to go much, much higher from here. Polkadot and Chainlink are now looking towards their all-time highs. And make sure you enjoy this part of it. This is what we've been working towards. This is where you see your portfolio go up exponentially. Definitely take joy in it. Enjoy. There will be some down days as well, of course, and just roll with the punches. And we'll continue to monitor it and track it. So I hope you have an amazing bank holiday weekend. I don't know how much we'll be catching up on this channel. It will half depend on what happens in the markets. But if I don't talk to you, then I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching and for the support, and take care.